Another set na naman. Pera na naman. Yes, I.
Like
Pants.
like tights. And you have this crazy shirt. It represents trichotillomania, which is like obsession with hair.
I'm gonna wear that one. Or
You are going to wear this
ooh.
one. And I think it's going to fit you perfect because you have very nice skin and tan.
Oh, thanks. We'll see. So, may gumawa na naman sa akin no, para mag-model ng local brands dito sa Zagreb. This is the second time. So, syempre hindi tayo hindi. Diba, malaking bayad eh. Good is good. So mamaya may make-upan na tayo, no, mga kapatid. Para sa malupitang model.